So today we're going to install the handguards on the 2020 Tao Tao Tbr7 250. I have them right here. Not bad, a little star pattern. There's no metal reinforcement, so they're not like good handguards like the CR250 has. But we're going to put them on. So you take one of these black clamps that it came with. You attach it to your handlebars like that. And then we're going to take these double-sided threaded rods. It comes with like a cap nut for each one. So we'll slide that up through the handguard. I think this one goes on this side, and I'll show you in a second. So the threaded rod has a line about halfway through it. As long as that's lined up in the middle there, you have the same amount on each side. And then you just take your handguard over here, and this is at first where I got confused because there's so much space there. So you put your metal end cap on the outside of the handguard, your black spacer, and then you tighten these screws up, and you can take this rubber bar pad off too, because that just comes right off, and that'll allow you to get to the screws better. It's pretty simple for tools, just Phillips head screwdriver for that, Phillips head for that, and those cap nuts you can use 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter, same thing. So it's going to make your handlebars a solid 1.5 inches wider on each side. So, 3 inches width overall. I don't know if it's worth it. And plus, when the wheel's straight like that, the actual curve here sticks out further than the end cap, so probably like 5 inches is going to make it wider. So there it is, we got both handguards on. We put the right side one on now. I still have to even this blinker out a little. It's twisted up compared to this one, but no big deal. I'm not saying I'm going to leave the handguards on all the time. I'm not sure that I like them or how functional they are unless you ride with your hand way out here. In here, I don't know. And then I'll make a video comparing this bike to the XT225.